Consider a box with a total volume of 125 cubic units and a max weight it can hold of 35 pounds. Step 1. Comparing total product weight with maximum weight capacity of the box. Product 1 is 3 pounds and product 2 is 5 pounds, which gives us a total weight of 8 pounds. This is less than the maximum weight which the box can hold, which is 35 pounds. In step 2, we also the total product volume with the maximum volume capacity of the box. Product 1 has a volume of 4 by 3 by 2 equals 24 cubic units and product 2 has a volume of 2 by 2 by 2 equals 8 cubic units. Both of these volumes are less than the total volume of the box, which is 125 cubic units. The algorithm then checks if each side of the product is less than each side of the box. It's important to note that the algorithm only considers the total volume and total weight of the products, and the combined dimensions of the products are not checked. The products and box are sorted with the longest side being considered as the length. Finally, the smallest box that satisfies all the conditions will be selected for packaging. However, this algorithm may not be suitable in cases when total product volume doesn't match final box volume. To learn more about shipping tips for your e-commerce store, subscribe to our channel. And if you need any assistance with PluginHive shipping box packing, don't hesitate to contact our support team at support@pluginhive.com.